All right. Good morning once again. I mean, good morning, everyone. So today we will have our review for our um, topics from Unit 5 and 6, Grade 7. Okay, so let's start. Number 1 here, it is the light of an object, height of an object, or point in relation to sea level or ground level. So, what do you think, or what do you call the height of an object in relation to a sea level or ground level? A. Height. B. Tall. C. Altitude. D. Latitude. What do you think is the answer? Okay, the correct answer is letter C. It's the altitude. Okay. Number 2. What device is used to measure the atmospheric pressure? So the key word here, device. Okay, device that is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. So what are we going to use to measure the atmospheric pressure? What do you think? The answer is letter A. It's barometer. Okay. Next, number 3. It is used to indicate wind direction. It is used to indicate wind direction. So the key word here is the wind direction. A. Anemometer. B. Barometer. C. Wind vane. Or D. Thermometer. So the correct answer here is letter C. It's the wind vane. Okay. Let's go to number 4. Number 4, it is used to measure wind direction and speed. So this time we have the speed, okay, and the wind direction together. Okay, there are two. So what do you think is the answer? Is it wind vane, barometer, thermometer, or letter D, aerovane? Okay, the correct answer is letter D, aerovane. All right. Now let's go to number 5. Which is which is the lowest atmospheric layer where people live? What do you think? There are 5 layers of atmosphere. So which one is the lowest atmospheric pressure? A. Stratosphere. B. Mesosphere. C. Troposphere. Or D. Exosphere. Correct. The answer is letter C. Okay. C. Troposphere. That is the first layer. Okay. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and the exosphere. Next, number 6. What is the temperature in the thermosphere? A. 100 degrees. B. 400 degrees Celsius. C. 1000 degrees Celsius. Or D. 1500 degrees Celsius. Okay. Remember, the temperature of thermosphere is letter D. Okay. 1500 degrees Celsius. All right. Number 7. Which is not is the Earth's surface? Which is not is the Earth's surface? A. The stars. B. Rocks. C. Water. Or D. Land. Correct. It's the stars. Okay. It is not in the Earth's surface. It is in the space. Right. Number 8. What is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere? Again, What is the outermost layer? The key word here is the outermost layer. Okay, what do you think is the last layer here? A. Mesosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Stratosphere. Or D. Exosphere. Okay, the correct answer is letter D. Exosphere. Okay, let's move on to number 9. Number 9. What is the temperature in mesosphere? What do you think? We all know that mesosphere is the coldest layer of the atmosphere. So it should be negative. So A, negative 0, negative 0 degrees Celsius. B, negative 85. C, 150 degrees Celsius. Or D, negative 10. Okay, the correct answer here is letter B. It's the negative 85 degrees Celsius. Number 10. It refers to the layers of gases encircling the globe. Okay? Layers of gases encircling the globe. A. Air. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. Or D. Atmosphere. Correct. The answer is letter D. It's the atmosphere. Okay? That's the definition of the atmosphere. It's the layers of gases encircling the globe. Number 11. What is the other name for thermosphere? A. Thermos. B. Thermometer. C. Exo. Or D. Ionosphere. Correct. The answer here is letter D. Okay, this is the other term or other name for thermosphere, the ionosphere. Number 12. Which layer goes from the ground to an altitude of about 85 kilometers? Okay, which layer of the atmosphere from the altitude about 85 kilometers? A. Mesosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Stratosphere. Or letter D. Exosphere. What do you think is the correct answer? A. Mesosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Stratosphere. Or D. Exosphere. The correct answer here is letter A. It's the mesosphere. Right. Let's move on to number 13. What instrument that can be used to measure the amount of rainfall? Okay. The key word here is the measure the amount of rainfall. Okay. Measure the rainfall. A. Rain gauge. B. Thermometer. C. Wind vane. Or D. Barometer. The correct answer is letter A. Rain gauge. Okay, from the word rain. Okay. Next one. How many layers of the atmosphere? From our topic that we talk about, there are A. 6, B. 9, C. 4, or D. 5. Correct answer is 5. We talk about the 5 layers of the atmosphere. What do you mean by O3? Oxygen 3. A. Oxygen. B. Ozone. C. Hydrogen. D. Water. Correct answer is letter B. Ozone. Isn't ozone. Okay. O2 is an oxygen. O3 is ozone. Number 16. It is a thermometer that records the highest and lowest temperature since it was last set. So the key word here is the highest and the lowest temperatures. So you can see exactly the correct answer here. The correct answer here: A. Max min thermometer. B. digital thermometer, C, thermometer, or D, infrared thermometer? It's obvious. We have the maximum and the minimum. Okay, the answer here is letter A, max min thermometer. Next, number 17. It is a natural feature of the Earth's surface. What is a natural feature? A, air. B, landforms. C, plastic. D, core. The natural features on Earth's surface is the landforms. Okay. Next, number 18. How many percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere? How many percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere? Correct. Let A, 90. B, 21. C, 50. D, 100%. It's letter B, 21%. Number 19. It is the amount of water vapor in the air. What do you call the amount of water? The key word here is the amount of water, vapor in the air. Okay, A, air temperature. B, air humidity. C, air pressure. Or letter D, air zone. Correct answer is air humidity. Letter B. Number 20. It is a storm with thunder and lightning, and typically also heavy rain or hail. A, thunder. B, thunderstorm. C, sandstorm. D, lightning. Correct answer is letter B. It's the thunderstorm. Okay, thunder and lightning. It's a thunderstorm. All right, let's go to the test 2. Okay, set 2, true or false. It's just only 5 questions here. Okay, identify if the sentence here, whether it is true or false. Number 1, summer occurs when the northern hemisphere faces toward the sun and receives more heat. True or false? Yes, that is true. Number 2, radiation can penetrate your body and can cause changes in your DNA. True or false? Yes, it can be. That is true. Number 3, the radiation are important to the existence of living organism on Earth. Yes, solar radiation are very important for the existence of the living. 4, ions can reflect low frequency radio waves and the aurora. Okay, ions or ionosphere can reflect low frequency radio waves and the aurora. True or false? Yes, that is true. Number 5, the Earth's axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees from a vertical line. True or false? Yes, that is true. Okay, the Earth's axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees. Let's go to part 3. Matching time. We have the answers on the other side, and we will answer it by letters. Okay, so all the answers are the other side. So let us read number 1. Number 1, it is used to measure wind speed. What is used to measure wind speed? Okay, yes, letter F, anemometer. Okay, we use anemometer to measure the wind speed. Number 2, it is used to measure wind direction and the speed. The wind direction and the speed. Yes, correct. Letter J is the aerovane. Letter J. Number 3, clouds that appear during pleasant weather. Okay, which type of clouds appear on the pleasant weather? Yes, that is correct. That is cirrus clouds. Okay, cirrus. Or we have the cumulus. Okay, they appear during pleasant weather. Next, how about number 4? Clouds that contain a large amount of water droplets. Yes, correct. That is stratus. Okay, stratus. Next, number 5. This layer has an altitude of 50 kilometers. Correct. The answer is stratosphere. Stratosphere has an altitude of 50 kilometers. Next, number 6. This layer has an altitude of about 600 kilometers. Correct. It's letter I, thermosphere. Number 7. It goes from the ground to an altitude of 14.5 kilometers. Yes, correct. The answer is troposphere. Letter C. Number 8. This is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Okay, what is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere? Correct. It's the exosphere. Letter D. Number 9. This layer has an altitude of 85 kilometers. Correct again. That is letter E, mesosphere. Last number 10. It is used to indicate wind direction. Which one is used to indicate the wind direction? Yes, correct. That is letter G. It's the wind vane. All right. So we are done with the matching type. Now let's go to the short answers. Number 1 question. How many layers is the atmosphere characterized by temperature? Okay, so we have 5 layers of the atmosphere. Number 2. What would happen to the Earth's temperature if the atmosphere disappeared? Yes, the Earth would be very, very hot. Next, number 3. How many percentage of nitrogen is in the Earth's atmosphere? The answers are in the picture. Correct. It's 78%. How about the percentage of oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere? Okay, in the picture, it says there 20.9% or 21%. Next, how about the carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere? What is the percentage? Correct. It's 0.04%. Let's go to number 6. What is the air in the low pressure area like? Okay, the air is warm. Correct. Next, number 7. Which layer of the atmosphere do you think has the greatest influence of life? Which layer? There are 5 layers. Which one has the greatest influence of life? It's troposphere, the first layer. What is the primary source of energy on Earth? Okay, what is our primary source of energy? It's the sun. Correct. Number 9. What atmospheric layer are you in when you take in an airplane? Okay, the airplane will go to what layer? Which layer? Atmospheric layer. It's in the stratosphere. Okay. In what atmospheric layer does air turbulence occur all the time? It happens in the first layer, the troposphere. Right, so that would be all. So good luck for your exam on this week. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.